Welcome to HQUA. This video will guide you step by step on how to use the R8-1 remote control to take full control of your pool lights and enjoy their amazing features. First, when you turn on your pool lights, they will automatically enter Dynamic Mode 1, RGB jumping. This is a lively, energetic color cycling effect, perfect for creating an exciting atmosphere. Next, press the Mode button to switch to Dynamic Mode 2, RGB fading, where colors blend smoothly. If you press the Mode button again, it will take you to Dynamic Mode 3, 6-color jumping, where the lights alternate between yellow, cyan, purple, red, green, and blue. As you continue pressing the Mode button, you'll cycle through more exciting options, including Dynamic Mode 4, 6-color fading, 5, yellow, cyan, and purple, 3-color fading, 6, RGB breathing, 7, red breathing, 8, green breathing, 9, blue breathing, 10, clean white breathing. When you reach Dynamic Mode 10, if you continue pressing the Mode button, it will jump back to Dynamic Mode 1 and cycle through the modes repeatedly. With these 10 dynamic modes, you'll have plenty of choices to match any occasion. Now, let's move on to speed control. The speed of the dynamic modes can be adjusted across 10 levels. Take RGB jumping as an example. By default, it's set to level 6. Simply press the speed button, and the color transitions will become faster. When you reach the fastest 10th level, pressing the button again will reset the speed to the slowest first level. From there, you can continue pressing the button, and the speed will cycle through, from slow to fast and back again. This flexibility ensures you can create the perfect mood, whether you want a calm, relaxing effect or a lively, energetic one. In addition to dynamic modes, you can also select fixed single-color lighting. For example, you can press the following buttons on the remote control: R for red light, G for green light, B for blue light, and W for white light. But that's not all. For even more color options, use the rainbow color ring on the remote to pick your favorite shade. Or you can tap any color on the ring to set the color. Once you've chosen a color, you can still adjust its brightness using the arrow buttons. This makes it easy to create the exact lighting effect you want, whether you prefer a bold, vibrant color or a softer, more subtle tone, be it in color jump mode or steady monochrome mode. Finally, let's go over how to save and recall your favorite settings. Once you've set a mode you love, press the Save button for 3 to 5 seconds to store it. If you're currently in any other mode, simply press the Recall button, and you'll instantly return to the mode you previously saved. This convenient feature works for both static and dynamic modes and ensures you can quickly access your preferred lighting setup without having to adjust everything again. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the beautiful and customizable lighting experience brought to you by HQUA.